Get your money in just 7 days. EXIM Bank has a new loan product. It's EXIM Express. I'm Kalila Reynolds, and this is Money Moves JA, brought to you in partnership with EXIM Bank's Business Advisory Service, helping you, the small and medium enterprises, grow. Inviting you as well to stay with us, because at the end of this episode, we will have a giveaway. I want to introduce you to Alan Thomas. He is the Loan Origination and Business Development Manager here at EXIM Bank. Hi, Alan.
Hi, good day.
I hear this is your baby. So tell me all about EXIM Express.
EXIM Express is a new product developed by the EXIM Bank. It was brought to the market early in order to deal with some of the challenges that we are seeing in the market. It's a facility by which a company can access working capital support using its receivables. You can get your funds basically in 7 days, as it says, EXIM Express. Mm-hmm. You don't need any traditional collateral to access the facility. What you need is that the buyer confirming the amount that is outstanding to you. That amount should be in excess of $2 million, and we will provide you with funding up to a maximum of $10 million. And we will charge you a rate of 2.75%.
Very low.
For 90 days. It's a very attractive rate, considering that there is no other collateral than the receivables that you're going to be providing.
Okay. So for those who are new to business and don't know what receivables are, just break that down for us. What does receivables mean?
Receivables are funds that are owed to you after you have performed a contract. It might be that you have delivered on services, or you may have delivered on products, and that money is owed to you by the buyer of those products or the receiver of the services. Mm-hmm. And you should be paid in, let us say, 90 days, 60 days, but you need the money now in order to go back to the market to purchase other products or to start providing other services. And without those funds being in hand, you may just be challenged. So this is a way of actually getting the money now in order that you may go back to the market to do more products or to provide additional services.
Okay, so it's not that these customers of yours are hard pay. You just have a specific time in which you're supposed to be paid.
Your buyer is supposed to pay you, let us say, in 60 days. But you need the money today.
Right.
You need the money next week.
So, for example, the government does this often. So you fulfill your contract, you provide the services or the goods, and then you're supposed to be paid down the line. Yes. So government contracts qualify for this too?
Yes, government contracts do qualify for this type of financing. In that you would be able to, government entities normally take advantage of the credit available in the marketplace and offer and do deferred payment, that might be 60 days or 90 days or 30 days. But you need the money now. Mm-hmm. You need the money now to go back to the market, to pay salaries or to pay some of your bills, and you are wanting to access it. We will give you up to 75% of the value of that invoice and up to a maximum of $10 million.
Are there certain buyers that qualify for this? Like if you and I are doing business, yes. Alan, you have a company, I have a company. Do you have to be registered with EXIM Bank, or is it just a specific category of buyer that you can use?
That's a very good question. In that the company or the buyer, the underlying person who's going to pay the funds over, that person should be credit worthy. Mm-hmm. So EXIM will do an assessment of the buyer or the person who's going to pay over the receivables, and then we will make the decision to lend.
Okay, so it doesn't have to be a mega company or a mega organization. So it's based solely on the creditworthiness.
On the creditworthiness of the buyer.
Wonderful. All right, so give us the rates again.
The rate is 2.75% for 90 days. Excellent rate.
And you get your money in just 7 days?
7 working days.
This is 7 days after you sign the contract, or 7 days after you come in?
7 days after you have provided us with all the required documentation.
Which can sometimes take a while.
No, the documentation in this instance, we have reduced it significantly. The most important part of that documentation is you giving us the confirmation of the amount of money and when it is due from the buyer. And then you normally provide us with your regular banking documentation that you will normally use when you're going to open an account at the bank.
So I understand no collaterals because the receivables are your collateral.
In fact.
But you said no financials either?
No financial statement for analysis. Because what we do, we just need to know that that money is actually owed to you and is due within the time frame of the product. And the maximum time frame under that product is 90 days. Basically 3 months.
So Alan, no collaterals, no financials needed. What do you need? Because I'm sure you do need something.
Yes, you do need something. The documents needed can be seen online at eximbankja.com.
And how do you apply? So you just go to the website to apply?
You click, when you go on the website, you click and you will get access to the information and you are able to complete the filling out of the documents online. And when you have finished doing that process, you just punch submit and the documents will come to us. We will make a call to you within 24 hours of us getting the documents.
So you don't even need to come in branch, come to EXIM on Hope Road to apply? You can apply just online?
You can complete the application online.
I love it. That's how it's supposed to be. Thanks, Alan.
Okay, good.
And on the next episode of Money Moves JA, Alan is going to tell us all about trade credit insurance. Up next, we have your recap, and we also have a giveaway coming up.
Here are the highlights of EXIM Express. Borrow up to $10 million. Get your money in just 7 days. And you don't need any collateral or financials to apply.
And it's time now for our giveaway question. Very easy. What is receivables financing? What is receivables financing? Answer over on Instagram at EXIM Bank JA, and you can win yourself a lovely prize. That's it for this episode of Money Moves JA, brought to you in partnership with EXIM Bank's Business Advisory Service. Visit their website, eximbankja.com. I'm Kalila Reynolds. Till next time.